Hey everybody, welcome back. The other day on the TikTok, I saw a video of this crazy grilled cheese sandwich. I mean, crazy. Anyways, I tried it. It's fantastic. So we're gonna do it next. The craziest grilled cheese sandwich you'll ever have, and you're gonna love it. Stick around, we're doing it next. All right, let's get started on this crazy grilled cheese sandwich. So we're gonna take about a tablespoon and a half of butter, put it into our large non-stick pan. We got the heat on medium, and we're gonna melt that butter down. As soon as that butter is melted, we're gonna put in 2 slices of bread, whatever your favorite bread is. I'm using sourdough. You can use whatever you like. And we're just gonna let that bread sit there until it becomes nice and toasted on one side, just like that. We'll remove it and set it to the side. Now I've got some shredded sharp cheddar cheese, about a cup and a half. I'm gonna put right into the pan. That's still on medium heat. Yeah, right into the pan. That's why you're using non-stick. And then I've got 2 slices of Havarti cheese that I'm gonna put right on top, just like that. And we're gonna let that melt down and start to caramelize and spread out. And once we get to about this position here, we're gonna place our bread grilled or toasted side down and facing each other, just like that. It's important that you have the bread face each other like that, because we're gonna flip and fold it over. So we'll let that cook for another minute or two until we can get a spatula underneath it like that and it doesn't stick. That means it's nice and caramelized. We're gonna fold over the edges, and then we're gonna fold it in half just like that. Crazy, isn't it? I'm telling you. So we'll let this go for another minute on this side, then we'll flip it onto the other side and let it go for another minute, and then we'll pull it out, put it on our little cutting board, cut it in half and serve it, and you have the craziest but delicious grilled cheese sandwich. I guess you could call it inside out grilled cheese sandwich. Whatever you call it, make it. That's what I'm going to tell you. Your kids really love it because it's something different. So give this a try. I think you're all going to like it. It was a lot of fun to make, and we'll see you on the next video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you stay up to date on our newest recipes. I put out recipes every Wednesday and Sunday. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.